From 1939 to 1942, World War II and the Final Solution. Adolf Hitler and the Nazis had big ideas. They wanted to create a master race, the Aryans. They wanted other groups of people to be their slaves. They also wanted to have more space to live. Adolf Hitler hoped to control all of Europe. Poland is a country that is east of Germany. Controlling Poland would give the Nazis more living space. In 1939, Germany invaded Poland and World War II began. Germany took over Poland in just a few days. Soon Germany invaded many other countries. By 1941, they had taken over Poland, France, Belgium, Luxembourg, Netherlands, Denmark, and Norway. As the Nazis took over more countries, they had even more Jewish people under their control. The Nazis made all Jews wear a Star of David on the outside of their clothing, so they were easy to find. They were forced to move out of their homes and into ghettos. The word ghetto is still used today. The ghettos in Europe were dirty and crowded. Food was scarce and many people were sick and dying. Often, when the ghettos were too full, the Nazis would send people to concentration camps or labor camps. They also killed lots of people to make more space. World War II was still going on. Germany was fighting two wars. One war against other countries. The other war was against Jews and other groups of people the Nazis hated. That list of people was getting longer. Some groups of people were considered inferior, like Jews, Polish people, Poles, Gypsies, handicapped people, and African Germans. The Nazis wanted to get rid of these people. The Nazis wanted to re-educate other groups of people. In other words, the Nazis wanted to teach them how to be good Nazis or to punish them if they refused. These groups included homosexuals, Jehovah's Witnesses, and communists. People who helped any of these groups were enemies of the state also. In January 1942, 15 Nazi officials met at the Wannsee Conference in a suburb of Berlin, Germany. They wanted to close the ghettos and get rid of the Jewish people. They came up with a plan called the Final Solution. For 9 years, the Nazis had killed many Jews, but the new plan was even more serious. They decided to kill all of the Jewish people in Europe, about 11 million people.